not got proper clarification, and this is why we have asked for a special committee meeting, and he's agreed to call for a special committee meeting where there will be 20 parents, there will be few headmasters, there will be teachers, there will be NEP heads and experts who are involved in implementing the same. And we would like to tell the secretary also that we would like the media also to be present, that so that you all also as media people can put out the message correctly to all the parents who have queries. So we as 5 parents today did this representation. More parents wanted to come, but since it's secretariat, we didn't want all the parents to come. And today we have the 10th standard board exams also going on. So we request, all the parents who are watching this to get in touch with your PTA heads, and start discussing this. Because if this what is the present circular implement zalyar, everyone is going to suffer. So we are, finding solutions and problems to everything that is there. But we need your parent support, because according to what they know is only few parents have a problem. But according to what we know, the whole of Goa is having a problem with starting.
पण त्यांनी एक सांगलेलं की जर ते एप्रिलान जरी स्टार्ट करता तरी मे महिन्याक त्यांना 1 महिनो सुटी आसतली. सो जर तुम्ही डिस्ट्रेस म्हणता तर मे महिन्यात त्यांना डिस्ट्रेस जाऊ येता.
Yes, and we've requested for a full month of December, because how was the pattern earlier? Children used to get 2 months of holidays for month of April and May. And as we have a parent here whose child was in the 9th standard and NEP was introduced in the 9th standard, she has clearly stated and discussed also with the secretary, saying that from the time the school started in June to the time the exams have happened, it has gone smoothly with the new implementation of NEP. So why are you calling the little ones? The 6th standard now they're going to implement it. Why are you calling them during, the summer vacation? Why you're calling to accumulate the bridge gap between the studies?
पण मे मंथ असा न्हू अजून.
But there is another point that people need to understand. So the curriculum is followed by what every state follows is a national curriculum framework. NCF lays the guidelines for every state to follow. Now, according to NCF, the number of hours that are given, that these many instructional hours need to be fulfilled from June to March. According to the new NEP, what Goa is trying to implement, we are exceeding those number of hours. So we asked him, why is the need to increase those hours? We are exceeding those number of hours, and to compensate that, are you holding classes in April? So they also don't have a clear-cut answer for this, because of which they have told us that they'll call a committee meeting where there'll be different heads and you all can discuss your points.
And this committee meeting will be held next week. That's what the secretary has promised. Next week will Sangla. So all parents, please discuss with your PTAs and do the signature drive in case if you all are not happy with the school starting in April.